If you're looking for a beautiful way to showcase your cookies or other small baked goods, then you've come to the right place. Hi there, I'm Mel from Boxed, and today I'll be talking about our extremely popular twin cookie boxes. All our boxes are made from high quality paperboard and 100% food grade recycled paper, and they're super easy to put together. Starting with the gloss side of the base facing down, I'm going to take you through it. You simply fold the sides straight in and you give it a nice push down there. Now you're going to do that on all four sides, so you can start from the second line in and just fold and refold again, giving it a little press, and work your way all the way around. Nice and simple until you've gotten to the fourth side and you've done that one there as well. Then you're just going to simply come over to here and you're going to do a little pinch on either side and push it down. Then you can fold the side in and the other side in and just bring it back around. You're going to do the same thing on this side. Little pinch and push and straight down into there. So nice and simple, and there you have it, the base. And then we're going to pop a little piece of tissue paper in here, which makes that box look really pretty, and you can pop 2 cookies inside. Just like that. Then we're going to go ahead and make the clear sleeve here. So you just lift this out. You're going to do the same thing, so you're going to look for the line there and just give it a nice fold there. Do the same on the other side. So there you have the sleeve there, and then you're just going to open that up a little and pop those cookies straight in, and there you have it. It's so easy and there's no need for glue or staples. Now these boxes are perfect for corporate giveaways, gifts or wedding favours. Don't be fooled by the name though, our boxes can also be used for other baked goods or small items. Our twin boxes measure 18 centimetres by 9 with a height of 2 centimetres, so be sure to check your cookie cutter dimensions before making a purchase. The rectangular design and large viewing window will show off your creations beautifully and allows for complete creativity. Whether you showcase 2 large cookies or bite-sized brownies laying on cute tissue paper, you'll impress everyone with our twin cookie boxes. The clear sleeve and gloss white finish will make any logo pop if you choose to add your company's stickers to each box. A lot of our customers do so, and they really do look amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you think a smaller box might be a better fit, make sure you check out our single cookie boxes. Thanks so much for watching.